Thinking about selling your home today? Whether you've lived there for decades or this is your first time selling solo, one thing's true. Today's buyers aren't charmed by your sponge-painted bathroom walls or oak cabinets straight out of a 90s magazine ad. But here's the good news. You don't need a total remodel, just a solid plan. Let's walk through 6 things buyers want right now and how to prep your home without maxing out your budget or your patience. My patience is always the first thing to go, I know. Number 1, move in really matters. Buyers aren't hunting for fixer-uppers anymore. They're hoping for just unpack and order pizza. So start here. Fresh paint in warm, light tones. Think creamy white, soft taupe, or anything that doesn't remind them of a dentist's office. Skip that gray now. Replace those dated brass light fixtures or anything with frosted tulip shades. I know there's one of you out there with one of those in your house. How about some cleaning? Scrub like your most organized friend is coming over with white gloves and their opinions. Fix what's broken. Door handles, leaky faucets, that kitchen drawer that sticks for no reason. I guarantee you, your buyer's gonna open that drawer first. And if you're not sure what buyers will notice first, a pre-listing inspection is a great option. I have trusted local home inspectors who can walk you through the entire process. Number 2, flexibility sells. If you can be a little flexible with your timeline, whether that means closing faster or slower to fit the buyer's schedule, you've just become more attractive than half the homes out there. And don't worry, I've helped sellers time their sale so they're not couch surfing or crashing at their cousin's house. You have options. Number 3, add value without spending a fortune. Buyers are watching their wallets. If you can offer something small like a home warranty, help with closing costs, or even leaving behind appliances, it can tip those scales in your favor. Last year, one of my sellers offered to leave their brand new washer and dryer. It made a big difference and saved them from moving it, but the buyers were ecstatic to have pretty much a brand new washer and dryer. Number 4, first impressions matter. Curb appeal still counts. We're not talking about a full landscaping overhaul, just tidy up what's there. Pull the weeds, add a few potted plants near the door, paint the front door something welcoming, not neon green unless that matches your house. Clean the porch light and the windows. Buyers often drive by before they even schedule a showing. Make that first look count. Number 5, show off flexible spaces. That extra bedroom doesn't have to be just a bedroom. Stage it as a craft room, office, or yoga space if that's your vibe. Show how your home fits real life. I once helped a seller turn an awkward upstairs nook into a mini library with a chair, a lamp, and a plant. The buyers loved it. It was one of the most commented rooms in the house. Number 6, smart equals appealing. Buyers today care about energy bills and convenience. If you've added a smart thermostat, newer appliances, or even just insulated the attic, let's say so in the listing description. Even small things like LED lighting or a newer hot water tank show buyers that the home has been cared for. Not sure which upgrades matter most in your neighborhood? I'll walk you through what's worth doing and what you can skip. Here's the bottom line. Selling your home doesn't mean turning your house into a model home. It means understanding what buyers are looking for now and showing them your home fits the bill. If this sounds overwhelming, don't worry. I've helped plenty of women in Ashland County and the surrounding areas do this with less stress and more clarity. I've also written a full blog post on this exact topic if you want to read more. The link is down below. And when you're ready to chat, I'm here. Welcome home.